know what's fascinating? Some of the most incredible creatures on Earth aren't in storybooks or movies. They're living among us right now. And when it comes to snakes, the real giants will surprise you. Today, we're looking at 10 of the biggest snakes ever found, from massive constrictors that can grow longer than a minivan, to venomous species with truly impressive size. What's interesting is that with these snakes, size isn't just about length. Some are heavier than you'd expect, others have massive girth, and a few hold records that might surprise you. The reptile world is full of surprises. Join our exploration by subscribing to Information Thin today. We're starting this nightmare countdown with number 10, CUBAN BOA. Native exclusively to Cuba, this impressive constrictor holds the title as the largest snake in the Caribbean. While average specimens measure 8 to 12 feet, exceptional individuals have been recorded at nearly 16 feet in length. What makes the CUBAN boa particularly noteworthy is its unique hunting behavior. It's one of the few snake species known to hunt in coordinated groups, especially when targeting bats in caves. Their muscular bodies, weighing up to 66 pounds, and distinctive golden brown coloration with dark patterns make them both formidable and beautiful. Conservation efforts are ongoing as habitat loss threatens their population. Number 9. MEDUSA. This legendary reticulated python made history as the longest snake ever kept in captivity, measuring a staggering 25 feet 2 inches when last measured in 2011. Owned by Full Moon Productions in Kansas City, MEDUSA required a custom-built enclosure and a team of handlers. Her diet consisted of 40-pound deer or pigs every few weeks. What made MEDUSA truly remarkable was not just her length, but her girth. At her heaviest, she weighed over 350 pounds. She became a Guinness World Record holder and a celebrity in the reptile world until her passing in recent years. This snake is massive, but don't scroll away yet. Number 5 will shock you. Number 8. Anaconda. Discovered in the Amazon rainforest of Brazil, Anaconda was one of the largest anacondas ever documented, estimated at over 20 feet long, with a circumference comparable to a car tire. This massive female was particularly significant to scientists studying the recently discovered northern green anaconda species. Tragically, Anaconda was found dead in 2024, with investigations pointing to possible gunshot wounds. Her loss was mourned by the scientific community as she represented valuable genetic diversity in anaconda populations. Researchers noted her size indicated she was likely decades old when she died. Number 7. SAMANTHA. SAMANTHA, a captive Burmese python, gained fame for her incredible 26-foot length before her death in 2002. Imported from Indonesia, she lived at the Bronx Zoo, where visitors could witness her massive size firsthand. What made SAMANTHA extraordinary was her consistent growth over 25 years in captivity, demonstrating the potential size these snakes can reach with proper care. Her autopsy revealed an empty 6-foot digestive tract, showing just how large her meals could have been. SAMANTHA's measurements helped scientists better understand the growth potential of large constrictors. Number 6. COLOSSUS. For nearly 20 years, COLOSSUS held the title as the world's heaviest snake at the Pittsburgh Zoo. This reticulated python weighed in at 320 pounds, though his length of only 22 feet showed how bulk can outweigh length in size measurements. COLOSSUS was particularly famous for his enormous girth. At his widest point, he measured nearly 3 feet around. His keepers reported he had an unusually docile temperament for such a large python, making him an excellent ambassador for reptile education until his death in 2010. Number 5. BUSHMASTER. The BUSHMASTER earns its place not through length, typically 6 to 8 feet, but as the largest pit viper in the world. Found in Central and South American rainforests, these highly venomous snakes can reach weights over 15 pounds. Their impressive size is matched by their reputation. They're responsible for some of the most dangerous snakebite incidents in their range. What makes BUSHMASTERs particularly noteworthy is their unusual behavior. They're the only pit vipers that lay eggs rather than giving live birth, and they exhibit rare parental care by guarding their nests. Number 4. Gaboon viper. While not exceptionally long, maxing around 7 feet, the gaboon viper is the heaviest viper in the world, with particularly large specimens weighing over 25 pounds. Their massive triangular heads can measure up to 6 inches across, housing the longest fangs of any venomous snake, up to 2 inches. Found in African rainforests, these masters of camouflage can remain motionless for weeks waiting for prey. Their incredible strike speed, under 0.5 seconds, combined with the highest venom yield of any snake, makes them particularly formidable despite their typically docile nature. Number 3. Eastern diamondback rattlesnake. The largest rattlesnake species holds multiple records. Longest venomous snake in North America, up to 8 feet. Heaviest venomous snake in the Americas, up to 34 pounds. And largest venom yield of any rattlesnake. These impressive predators are found in the southeastern US coastal plains. A 2016 study documented a specimen with fangs measuring 1.3 inches long. Their distinctive diamond pattern and loud rattle make them iconic, but habitat loss has reduced their numbers significantly in recent decades. Number 2. Papuan python. New Guinea's Papuan python is one of the least known giant snakes, but deserves recognition for its potential size. While most measure 13 to 16 feet, reliable reports from local tribes describe specimens approaching 23 feet. These iridescent olive-colored snakes have an unusual hunting strategy. They're specialized in eating other snakes, including venomous species. Their muscular bodies can reach weights over 90 pounds. Recent discoveries suggest they may have the strongest constriction pressure relative to body size of any python species. Number 1. Black mamba. While not the longest, typically 8 to 10 feet, with rare 14-foot specimens, the black mamba earns the top spot for being Africa's longest venomous snake and arguably its most dangerous. Their incredible speed, up to 12 miles per hour in short bursts, combined with highly potent neurotoxic venom, makes them uniquely formidable. Large adults can lift 1/3 of their body off the ground when striking. A single bite can deliver enough venom to kill 10 adults. Their reputation is magnified by their aggressive defensive behavior and tendency to strike repeatedly. Recent research shows their venom can kill a mouse in under 30 seconds.